guys, I have a little package here. I don't know if you are interested in watching unboxing videos, but I love watching them, so I'm making one. Alright, this for the new shop, I'm going to be making lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of soap. It's primarily going to be an artisan soap shop more than anything else. So I've bought just a couple of fragrances from Eroma. Now, I was pretty smart and I went into the vanillin free section, and I think just about every single one is actually free. As you can see, I've opened the box, but I haven't taken anything out yet. So you get to enjoy this as much as I do. So there's a lot of fragrances in here. So I went a little crazy. I mean, there's some that I'm just replacing that I've run out of, but like that one, like those there. See, the big large ones are just ones I'm just replacing. Oh, that's it. Oh, it's empty. So yeah, so there's quite a few here that I have not smelt before. Ones that I wouldn't normally make, but I can't make soaps that only I will like, because that's just stupid. So we'll get them all out of the bags. And I didn't bring a pair of scissors over with me, did I? No. Actually, I'm pretty sure that one's not body safe. Oh yes it is. Well, there you go. Oh look, I forgot. Oh, that's my favourite fragrance, White Lily and Persimmon. That one's beautiful. We don't need to smell that because we already know what that one smells like. I should not be smelling these. I've had sinus all day, and I'm only just starting to feel better now because I've just taken some Sudafed, so I'm probably a little stoned. Actually, it doesn't seem to affect me hardly at all anymore. I'm very tired, but went and bought a bunch of furniture for the shop today, so yeah. So it's been a good day and a bad day. Like, I've felt like crap all day, but I've got a whole bunch done, so, and didn't spend as much money as I expected, which is fantastic. So, alright, we need a pair of skizzers. Skizzers, we need them skizzers. Do we need the skizzers, or we've got a fork here. Alright, so first up is Macassar, Ebony and Peach type. Macassar. Sure, that sounds right. So let's give this one a whiff and see what we think. Oh, that's really nice, guys. Oh, yeah, that's really good. That's got, I probably should have the camera up on my face, shouldn't I? How about we do that? That's something new and interesting. I don't do that very often. Can you see me? Hello! Oh my god, look at my hair. A little bit taller, because I'm a bit taller. Alright. I'll actually talk to the camera for a change. There you go. Oh my god, my hair's a mess. Look at my hair. Stop looking at yourself, you idiot. Yeah, right, so Macassar? I'm not sure how to pronounce that. I don't know if it's a place or what. Macassar, Ebony and Peach type. It's very nice. It's very peachy. So, lavender and mint. I won't like it. I think, actually I do. I think I've had this one before. Actually, it smells like, it kind of smells like shampoo or something, some sort of cleaning product, which would be good in soap. I don't want to smell this one either. This one is sandalwood and spiced coconut. Aroma, you better have done your job properly. Oof. All I can smell is sandalwood. There's no spiced coconut in that at all. I'm sure everyone will love that. Guaranteed, if I don't like it, everyone else will. Okay, Sweet Pea. Now, you guys know I don't like florals, but I love the smell of sweet peas, so, I probably look like shit. Do I look like shit? Oh, I'm so tired. Or stoned, or both, I don't know. This is good, the glasses will hide it. can't smell anything, really. It's friggin' subtle. It's not awful either. It's not like an awful floral. I quite like that. Sweet pea. There you go. But like I said, I love sweet peas. So, oh, all right. Next, what do we got? Golden wattle. Now I got a wattle from Candle Supply, and it's not very pleasant. It's also not body safe. This one, however, is, because I was thinking as I might do an Australiana series again in soaps. Oh my god, that smells like wattle. That is amazing. Seriously, that's the most Australian thing I've ever smelt in my bloody life. Wow. It's just, it's like, see, no one Australians some Australians will get it. When we drive along the road in winter up to Lismore, both sides of the road, there's just wattle trees everywhere, and I always wind the windows down. I'm like, out the window going, because I'm an idiot, or a dog or something. And this is the smell. It's friggin' perfect. I can't believe that smells so much like wattle. That's awesome. Righto. Frangipani. I've been told this does not smell like frangipanis. So, yes, in the Australian soap makers group, I've heard that this does not smell very nice. So, no, it's not awful. I like it. It's not as strong as the wattle. I think I've still got a little bit of wattle happening here. It's really subtle, but it's nice. It's not. It smells more like a pink frangipani than a yellow frangipani. A frangipani. Right, I'm not sure what that is. That's not bad. What else we got? Love Spell. We've smelt this before because I've made it before. Oh, a friggin' long time ago. Yeah, that's nice. It's kind of berry, fruity berry, sort of dark fruits, like dark berries. I don't know. See, I didn't have any of these written. I had no intention of doing this. I just found the box out the front and went, yeah, I'm going to do that on camera. Because why not? Alright. This I won't like. This is Jasmine and Magnolia. Could this get more floral? Oh, God. Night Jasmine. You know that's that real cloying, sticky smell when you go outside on a hot summer night and it's jasmine flowering on someone's fence somewhere? I don't know if this is an Australian thing again. That's what that smells like. That's just icky cack. Don't like it. Icky cack, yep, that's an Australianism. What's that one over there? Oh, that's a white lily and persimmon. I love that. I don't know why I didn't buy a bigger bottle. What's this? Oh, Daphne. Yeah, we've done this before too, haven't we? Yeah, can't say I'm a fan of that. Smells like, again, like a shampoo or oh, you know what it smells like? Washing up liquid. Poor Eroma. They're like, you know, oh yeah, she promotes our business all the time, and now here I am bagging out their smells. Well, you know, I like what I like. Okie dokie. Pear and lime. I should like this. I mean, I love the smell of pears and I love the smell of limes. It's kind of got like, it smells like the texture of pear. Does that make any sense? Like, you know how pears have that sort of gritty texture? Is that pears? That's pears, isn't it? Yeah. It's kind of got that smell to it. It's kind of got like a gritty smell to it. It's not awful, which means I don't really like it, but I think it'll be nice in soap. Alright, what do we got? Christmas cedar. This on the review said it smelled like a real Christmas tree. For me, a real Christmas tree smells like plastic from Kmart, but I'm pretty sure this doesn't smell like that. No, we had real trees when we were kids. But that's a really long time ago. And I have bipolar, so I don't remember that shit. Yeah, righto, I get it. It's very earthy and like dirt. It smells like damp forest. Is that what Christmas trees smell like? Because that's what this smells like. But yeah, it's definitely got that real sort of mossy undertone. It's not even an undertone. It's just, yeah, moss and pine and yeah, very much Christmas cedar. That, yeah. Righto. Alright, this is Little Black Dress, which I've been wanting to smell for ages. So and these other two left I think I will like. So I think I've left the best three till last. It's soft. It's very feminine. It's kind of floral, but more like soft, powdery floral. I don't know why. Why do I do this? I cannot describe fragrances. You probably all sitting there going, God, listen to her waffle on. She's such an idiot. But yeah, it's kind of soft and powdery. I know this is going to sound silly, but it smells pastel blue. This is what pastel blue smells like. Little Black Dress. It's not sexy. See, I expected Little Black Dress type to be sexy, and it'd be something that you would put on when you were going out in Little Black Dress. So I don't know. So this second last one is Fierce type. I'm assuming this is a men's one. Yeah, that's men. That's nice. Shit, that's nice. Oh yeah, I like that. I won't say that on camera. Yep. If I come across a man who smelled like that, even if I didn't know him, I would tell him how nice he smelled. It's not like 1 million. It's not like 50 Shades. It's greener. It's very nice. It's very fresh. It's more oceany. I'm never uploading this video, I swear to God. I'm never uploading it. Good thing there's no God. If anyone is offended at that, well, you know. You can believe what you want. I can believe what I want. I think whatever you believe in, as long as you're not hurting anybody else and it makes you happy, go for it. Oh, I love that. Oh my God, pink lychee, guys. Oh my God, it's lovely. It's so fruity and pink and lemonade-y almost. Lemonade-y. Oh, that's so good. I'm so soaping with that one. I'm so soaping with all of them. But in the next couple of days. No, that's really good. Pink lychee. It smells like you would imagine a pink lychee to smell. Is there such a thing as a pink lychee? I do not know, but if there is, that's what they smell like. And yes, the rest is just, yeah, well, I don't like that one. Yeah. And that's it, yeah, so, alright, well, that was exciting. Probably not so much for you guys, because you get to sit there and watch me not describe anything. But yeah, no, definitely the pink lychee was, out of those, that would be my favourite. That and the white lily and persimmon, which, we're just going to have a smell. I just remember making it in the soap and I ended up stealing 2 pieces. Oh, yeah. Actually, that and the pink lychee are quite similar. They've got that sort of... It smells pink. And it's got texture. The smell has texture to it. It feels like I'm standing here going like this because I'm getting a sense of texture from the smell. I don't know if people just think I'm really weird now, but if you guys have watched my channel and don't already think I'm weird, then you must be watching a different channel. Yeah, so anyway, so the shop is currently friggin' bright pink. It's horrible. It's got pastel pink on one wall and a deep pink on the other, and it's just horrible. This is no offense to any hairdressers out there, but it looks like a hairdressing salon from 10 years ago, when big bold colours and chandeliers and shit were sort of all in fashion for hairdressers studios. And that's what it looks like. So I'm painting one wall white and the other wall this colour. I got aquamarine sea, so yeah, it's almost exactly this. Because the dude in Bunnings thought that was hilarious, that he was making paint to match my hair. I said, well, no, it's just I'm into turquoise at the moment. So yeah, so I have not taken a video of it yet. I will take a video of it before I start painting. I've painted 2 patches on the wall just for sample pot testing. But yeah, before I do anything to it, I'll take a video of it as it stands now, because it looks like absolute shit. And then I might, if I think of it, I'll at least take photos as I'm setting it up, if I think of it. But it's like 2 weeks away, so I have so much to do. I have so much soap to make, and but anyway, I'll start waffling, because that's like 16 minutes of me trying to explain fragrances. Which, you know, because I don't already have 4,000. Okay, I'm going to show you, because, you know, because, you know, I already have, oh, my head's in the way, 1 or 2 fragrances. So, you know, I needed more. Yes, and you can see it's not that messy in here anymore. It's not as messy as it was. That table is supposed to be for pouring melts, but no markets this weekend, so the melts can wait. But yeah, like at this point in time, I have 3 soaps made for the shop, and that is it. Just 3 shops. So 3 soaps. I have nothing else made. I have no room to do anything. This is just like so compact in here at the moment. But yeah, so anyway, you don't need to listen to me whinge, because it's all I ever do. Yeah, so I will upload this on Monday, because I don't have, oh no, yeah, no, I do have a couple of new videos. We'll see. Anyway, tomorrow you'll get, today's Thursday, yeah, I'll go in and edit a video now for you. You'll get one of the ones from the start of the year. And then hopefully on Monday I will see if this network's working and edit a video for Monday, a brand newie for you from in here. And then, yeah, alright, and I'm looking at myself, and I hate people who do that. If you're going to record videos, look at the camera, not at the screen, because that's just rude. Okay, now I'm sure I've offended like a bunch of people, hairdressers, people who look at cameras, religious people. I think I've done well this video, so now I should shut up. And as my favourite YouTuber of the moment says, see y'all later, bye.